Aloe vera gel speeds up the healing of small irritations and inflammations on the face, helps fight purulent pimples and blackheads, moisturizes the skin of the face, regardless of whether you have oily or dry skin, and balances sebum production. In addition, aloe vera gives a matte, smooth, velvety appearance and helps over time to fight the appearance of deep wrinkles. The natural ingredients you will need are 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Place the gelatin, the matcha and the aloe in a heat-resistant bowl. Fill a larger bowl with hot water and place the bowl with gelatin, matcha and aloe in the middle. Stir the mixture until it starts to thicken and the powder dissolves completely. Or if you have a gelatin that is soluble in cold water, then you can mix everything cold. Using a cosmetic brush, apply the mask to the clean skin of the forehead, cheeks, chin, and nose. Let it dry. When the face mask is tight and hard, gently remove to extract the blackheads and to remove the dead skin from your face. Use once a week to keep your skin bright and your face clean.